Hello, parents and little champs. Lot of parents, lot of students are asking me, sir, what is Vedic maths? Who discovered this? And how this Vedic maths is going to help me in my academics? So you will get answers to all these questions in this video. I am Manor Patil, founder of Vedic Pathshala. Today I am going to present you few things about Vedic maths. Let's start. I will take you to my presentations Journey of Genius with Vedic Maths. So let's start. Before starting, let me tell you one famous quote from Shakuntala Devi. I hope you know who Shakuntala Devi is. If you don't know, please Google it. She was a genius in mathematics. People used to call her human computer. So without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. So if you want your child to fall in love with numbers, fall in love with mathematics, please watch this video till end. Crux of the Vedic mathematics I am going to tell you in this lecture, in this video. Plan of the webinar. Even though I won't follow a particular time, but the sequence will be the same. So first I will give you the introduction of Vedic mathematics. Then few rules or few techniques I will explain you. You can also learn very easily. And then I will tell you something about me, and then I will explain the course structure. So we will move forward. So what is Vedic maths or Vedic Ganit? So the word Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. And if you are a little bit aware, you know that there are 4 Vedas. Which are those? Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharvaved. So this Vedic mathematics came from the last Veda, that is Atharvaveda. So what is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is the ancient system of mathematics. It's unique techniques of calculation based on simple rules and principles with which any mathematical problem can be solved very easily, orally, within 1 or 2 steps. That problem may be from algebra, geometry, trigonometry, or any field of the mathematics. You can use Vedic mathematics. So this Vedic mathematics is derived from the Atharva Veda. Now the next question comes in our mind is, who is the father of this Vedic Ganit? So Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji is called as the father of Vedic mathematics because he discovered this knowledge and put into one book that is called as Vedic mathematics. So it was revived between 1911 and 1918 during his deep meditation. He then published this work in a book called Vedic Mathematics in 1965. It comprises 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. If you take this book from the bookstore and if you start reading, you won't understand anything. Because the language is little difficult, and if you don't have mathematical background, it's hard to understand. So my intention to make this knowledge as simple as possible so that you can digest it and you can learn the things and you can show your best performance in mathematics as well as in other subjects as well. So the next question, the most important question comes in our mind is, what are the benefits of Vedic maths? There are number of benefits of Vedic maths. You can just Google it. You will see whole list. We will discuss few of them. The first benefit is speed of calculation increases. So when you start solving the problem with the help of Vedic mathematics, you can get the answer in one step within no second. So the speed of calculation increases. It improves your focus, memory and concentration. It's very difficult to get hold of all these things, focus, memory and concentration. But if you learn Vedic mathematics, your focus, memory and concentration will increase. That is for sure. It is tested and proven. It improves problem solving abilities. The most important thing is it ends math phobia. As per one survey, it is found that 73% of students are having math phobia. Math phobia means they hate maths. So the students are having tremendous fear about maths. If you ask any students, 3 out of 4 students will tell that the most difficult subject is mathematics. But actually maths is not a difficult subject. And I guarantee you, if you teach them Vedic Ganit, they will fall in love with maths. That is for sure. So it ends math phobia. It enhances intuition skills. Better performances in academics as well as competitive exams. It's very important. In competitive exam, if you see, we need speed with accuracy because we have to eliminate 3 options. We have to select only one correct option. So to do that, we need speed with accuracy. And no other methods, no other system of calculation, system of mathematics will give the speed and accuracy. Only Vedic maths will give you speed with accuracy. That's why it helps you in any kind of competitive exams. It improves logical thinking and critical thinking ability. It develops work function of right brain. There are 2 brains, left brain and right brain. Left brain is responsible for logical thinking, data-based thinking, data-based activity. But right brain is responsible for intuitive powers, creative thinking. And to develop that right brain, Vedic maths helps a lot. I am not telling you just to impress. You can go and search in Google. You'll find the proofs, you'll find the papers published on Vedic maths. I'm also going to show you few of them in next slides. The next one is confidence booster. Students will fear when exam comes. They lose confidence. But if they equipped with Vedic maths, they will boost their confidence. If they equipped with Vedic maths, there won't be any fear of maths. There won't be any fear of any exam. They are always ready to face challenges. That's the beauty of Vedic maths. So I came from science background. I won't say anything without proof. If you search for some papers on Vedic maths on Google, you will find number of papers. I am just going to show you 1 or 2 of them. Paper means what? It is the authenticate document published in scientific community. So this is one paper published in International Journal of Yoga. International journal, not national. The title of the paper is Investigation of Yoga, Pranayama and Vedic Mathematics on Mindfulness, Aggression and Emotion Regulations. And you will see the result. There are positive effects. Increasing mindfulness, increasing emotion regulations. Even though name is Vedic maths, it impacts very powerfully on your brain, on your emotions, on your awareness. That's why it is very important to learn Vedic maths. So another proof from the national paper, it is published in National Journal. Effect of Vedic mathematics on achievement in relation to intelligence. So Dr. Parvinderjit Kaur has published this paper. 2 groups have been created and one group is exposed to regular maths, conventional math, and another group is exposed or taught by Vedic maths. And they found the result that the achievement of the students taught through Vedic mathematics was found to be higher than those taught through conventional mathematics. I would like to give you some taste about Vedic maths. So if children are watching this, I request you to take pen and paper. If parents are interested, they can also take. We will see few techniques from Vedic mathematics. Then you will understand whether it is easy or difficult. And then you can take a decision later on. Take pen and paper. So today we will see some tricks, some techniques from multiplication. In that also, we'll see only one condition, that if the multiplier is made up of only 9s. So You might have heard the concept multiplicand and multiplier. If not, no worries. I am going to explain you. Multiplicand means the number to which we are multiplying is called as a multiplicand. The next term is multiplier. The number through which we are multiplying is called as multiplier. So in today's case, we are going to see if the multiplier is made up of only 9, then what is the technique, what is the rule we can use, and we can get the answer in one step. So in that also there are 3 conditions. What are those 3 conditions? Yes, correct. If the digits in multiplicand is less than or equal to or greater than multiplier. These are 3 cases. Digits in multiplicand is less than multiplier, equal to multiplier, greater than multiplier. These 3 cases we are going to see one by one. So the first case is if the multiplier, the number of digits in multiplicand is equal to number of digits in multiplier. That means digit in multiplicand is 1, digit in multiplier is also 1, digit in multiplier is 2, digits in multiplicand is 2, digits in multiplier is also 2, digits in multiplicand is 3, and digits in multiplier is 3. So this is the first case. So we will see how to solve this. First thing is we have to reduce 1 from the multiplicand. So 6 minus 1 you will get 5. And then whatever number you have got, you have to subtract that new number from multiplier. That is 9 minus 5 is 4. That's it. That is your answer. 2 things. First subtract 1 from multiplicand. Okay, write the number. Now subtract the new number from multiplier, right? And just you will get the answer. So first subtract 1, you will get 67. Subtract 67 from 99. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. That is your answer, 6732. You can check with your calculator. 369 into 999. First subtract 1 from given number, that is multiplicand, 368. And then subtract 368 from 399. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1. So that is your answer. So the next case is number of digits in multiplicand is greater than number of digits in multiplier. What does that mean? You can count the numbers. Number of digits in multiplicand, there are 2 numbers, but the multiplier is made up of only 1 number. Number of digits, there are 3 digits in multiplicand but 2 digits in multiplier. So in that case, what to do? Actually, even though we are doing multiplication, in this case we are going to do subtraction and we will get the answer for multiplication. What? Yes, you heard right. We are going to do subtraction and you are going to get the answer for multiplication. See here. First thing is you have to write multiplicand as it is and put zeros next to that. How many zeros? Number of 9 in multiplier. That many zeros you have to put. For example, there is only 1 9 in the multiplier, so you should write 65 0. Okay, first step. Then subtract the original multiplicand, that is 65, and then whatever you get the answer is for multiplication. 10 minus 5, 5. Then this become 7. 15 minus 7, 8, and then this become 5. So 5 8 5. Okay. Next is first put the zeros in front of multiplicand. So 374. How many zeros? 2 zeros because there are 2 9, and then subtract the original multiplicand. 374. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 37 as it is. This is your final answer. So we'll see next. 5, 2, 7, 8. How many zeros will be there? 2 zeros, correct. Because there are 2 nines in the multiplier. And then subtract the original multiplicands. 5, 2, 7, 8. What you will get? 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And 2 as it is. 5 at least. 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2 is the answer. You can cross check. So we have seen two cases. When the multiplicand and multiplier are equal number, if the number of digits in multiplicand is greater than number of digits in multiplier. And the last case, we will see that when the number of digits in multiplicand is less than number of digits in multiplier. So how to do that? It's very easy. One more rule, we should remember that you can put any number of zeros before any number. The value of that number doesn't change, right? So if you write 4 is equal to 04 is equal to 0004 is equal to 000000004. Same thing. So you can put any number of zeros before the number. The value of that number doesn't change. So we are going to use that rule in this case. So if you ask to multiply 3 into 99, you can write 03 into 99. Just convert 3 into 03. Why we are converting this? Because we have seen the first case, first rule. Number of digits in multiplicand is equal to number of digits in multiplier. So just to make the number of digits equal in multiplicand and multiplier, we are doing this transformation. So if you transpose 3 into 03, number of digits in multiplicand is 2, number of digits in multiplier is also 2. So you can use the rule easily. So what is the rule? Subtract 1 from the multiplicand. So 03 becomes 02. And then subtract this new number from multiplier. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2 is becomes 7. So this is your answer. Easy peasy. Yes, it's easy peasy. 54 into 999. So convert this 54 into 054. So first thing is reduce 1 from the multiplicand. 053. And now subtract this number from 999. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. And 9 minus 3, 6. So this is your answer. 53946. The next one is we are converting 47 into 047. Reduce 1 from the multiplicand. 046. And then reduce this number from 999. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this is your answer. Right? This is how you can solve. One more method is there. It is called the base method. Base method of multiplication. So what is base? It's very famous method in Vedic maths. 10 to the power n is called base. When n is equal to 1, you will get 10. When n is equal to 2, you will get 100. When n is equal to 3, you will get 1000. When n is equal to 4, you will get 10,000. And so on. So all these numbers are called as a base. So first we will see one by one. First we will see the base 100. And there are also three cases. Above the base, below the base, one above the base, one below the base. So we will see first simple steps, simple things, so that it's easy to understand. First thing is base 100 above the base. In base method, it's very important to write the equation, write the problem in specific way. How to write? I will tell you. We have to write multiplicand and then we have to write multiplier just below it. Just see it. 102 and just below it 111. Put big line and keep some space at the right hand side here. We have to do some operations. Okay. So one more thing, there are two parts of the answer, right hand part and left hand part. Just for understanding, I am putting this line. You put this line just in the beginning, later you no need to write put this line. So after writing this up to this point, we have to find out the deviation from the base. You have to write this in front of that number. So 102 is deviated from the base 100 by plus 2. Are you getting my point? Plus and minus is very important because 102 is greater than 100. Our base is 100. That's why we have to write plus 2. 111, that is 111 is deviated from the base 100 by 11. So it is plus 11. So this is the first step. You have to write the deviation, and then the next step is we have to first find right hand part of the answer and then left hand part of the answer. So to find right hand part of the answer, just multiply these two deviations. That's it. 11 to the 22. This is your right hand part of the answer. Left hand part is just cross addition. So either I will use another color so it's easy for you to understand. So either you add 102 plus 11 or 111 plus 2. Both are the same. So you will get 113. So your final answer is 11322. Right? So this is your final answer. I will repeat the steps. First, write the problem in proper way. Second thing is, write the deviation of the number from the base in right hand side. And then there are two parts in the answer, right hand part and left hand part. Right hand part will get by the just simply multiplication of the deviation. And then left hand part will get by cross addition. Cross addition. Either this addition or that addition. Okay, we will repeat this same sequence here. First, write the problem in proper way. 103 into 102, and then first write the deviation plus 3. Here is 2. Deviation is plus 3 and plus 2. So 103 is deviated from the 3 number from the base 100 and 102 is deviated from the 2 number from the base 100. So the first is right hand part. So 3 2s are 6. But you can't simply write 6 as like this. Because the another rule is that in this case 11 2s is 22. There are 2 digits and there are 2 zeros. So no worries. But here we are getting only 1 digit and we have to put 2 digits. So the next digit we have to fill with 0. It's very important thing you should remember. Number of digits in the right hand part is equal to number of zeros in the base. And then the next step is very easy. Just cross addition. So you will get the answer. 103 plus 2 is 105. So the final answer is 10506. Now come to next question. 101 into 147. What is the deviation? Plus 1 and here plus 47. Now I am not putting any line. There are two parts, right hand part and left hand part of the answer. So first right hand part we will get by just multiplying these two deviations. So 47 ones are 47, and then cross addition 147 plus 1 is equal to 148. So this is your answer, 14847. You can cross check with calculator. See, within a second, in one step itself, you are getting answer. That is the beauty of Vedic maths. So we'll see the next case is, now we have seen base 100 above the base. What is base 100 below the base? We'll see it. You just follow the same rule, same steps, you will get the answer. First, write the numbers in proper way, and then write the deviation. Now here 98 is deviated from the 100 by minus 2, and 95 minus 5, and then just start your operation. 5 2s are 10, and then cross addition. 95 minus 2, not plus 2, cross addition. I am telling, addition with sign. So what is the sign? Minus. So 95 minus 2 is equal to 93. So this is your answer, 9310. The next question is 89 into 93. First thing is you have to write your deviation. So here you will get minus 11, and here you will get minus 7. So 11 sevens are right hand part. 11 sevens are 77, and then cross addition. 93 minus 11 is 82. So this is your final answer, 8277. Easy? It's very easy. Can you try this by yourself? Yes. I will pause here. You try yourself. Great. First thing is you have to write it proper way. Then write the deviation. You will get minus 25 here and minus 3 here. So there are two parts of the answer. 25 3s are 75. Minus minus become plus. And then cross addition. 75 minus 3. It becomes 72. This is the final answer. It's very easy. The same rule you can use for the base 1000 base, 1000 base, 10,000 base, 1 lakh, anything. So there are lot of techniques like this which I can't cover in this small video. That is for sure. We need to study it in a proper way with step by step. But just to give the flavor, just to test you, I am just demonstrated these 2-3 techniques. Now who am I and why I am doing this? Let me tell you something about myself. I am Professor Manohar Patel. I did my M.Tech from IIT Kharagpur in 2009. Last 13 years I am in education field only. So currently I am working as a life coach and career counselor. My mission is to help students develop their mathematical skills and critical thinking abilities. I help students improve their focus, concentration, memory, which are essential skills for success. So this is my school days photo. I studied in government public school, Pusegaon. These are my batchmates. This photo is taken when I was in 10th. Then I did my graduation, and then I went to IIT Kharagpur for my post-graduation. I did my M.Tech there, M.Tech in Earth System Science and Technology. I had great memories from IIT Kharagpur. So these are few clicks during M.Tech. After my M.Tech, I worked as a research associate, Amrita Vishwavidyapatam, Amritpuri, for 2 years. After that, I did teaching job also as a lecturer at RIT, and then I went to do my PhD, but somehow I couldn't complete it. It's okay. But after that, I just to follow my passion, just to follow my interest, I went to Gurukul Shiksha, one of the best Gurukulam in Maharashtra, that is Siddhagiri Gurukulam, and I worked as a Pradhanacharya, head of the Gurukul. It was a very nice experience, but due to some family problem, I couldn't continue there. But the impact of that system stays in my mind, and then I decided to teach all this ancient knowledge to maximum students. You can see few more pictures. I was teaching my students under the tree. I was interacting with some guests. Oh, this is my favorite photo. I have affinity towards desi cows. I love desi cows. You can see. This is my current family. This is my wife. She is working as a software engineer, and he is my cute little warrior. Oh, yes. So I made a vision for my life. I made a mission for my life. So my vision is to bring the positive change in students' life and empower them intellectually, emotionally, spiritually to excel in their life. And to empower 1 million students academically, emotionally, and spiritually by imparting them ancient knowledge of Vedic maths and third eye activation around the globe and bring positive change in them. So, will you be a part of this mission? I am going to empower 1 million students, and I request you to become a part of this mission. So, I have designed a course for Vedic maths. I can't teach this in one lecture. The beautiful course is there. So you'll get two things. One is subject knowledge, and then there are 5 bonuses you will get along this course. So these are the topics covered in subject knowledge: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, square root, cube root, percentage, series addition, average, HCF, LCM, factorization, linear equation, simultaneous equation, mixed fraction, quadratic equation, polynomials, and so much. So this is the portion you will see in CBSE, in state boards, in ICSE. All the curriculum you will see this portion till 9 or till 10. So I have covered all these things. So this is subject knowledge. And then I have given you the 5 bonuses as well. So what are those bonuses? Along with the subject knowledge, I have given you 5 bonuses. First one is Surya Namaskar course. It's very important for the student to keep their strength, physical strength, active and alive. And to do that, Surya Namaskar is very useful, very beneficial. So all students should do the Surya Namaskar daily, and there is a proper way to do the Surya Namaskar. I have taught this proper way in this course. And there is one more course is Anga Ganit or finger maths course. You will get Omkar Sadhana. Oh my God! All students should do Omkar Sadhana. You have to chant the Omkara daily in a particular way. I have taught how to do that, what are the benefits in practical way. You can feel the benefits. If you do Omkar Sadhana daily, you won't get any kind of anxiety, any kind of depression. You will feel relaxed. It's very important. And then Tratak Kriya to increase the concentration, to increase the focus, and Pranayam, of course. So these bonuses you are going to get along the subject knowledge. So what is the structure of course? Structure of course is the whole syllabus is divided into 5 levels because the syllabus is vast, and all the topics are available in the recorded form, recorded videos. But that doesn't mean I am just giving you the course access and I am leaving you alone. No, I won't allow you to walk alone. I am always there to handhold support. So there will be one doubt clearing session every week in which you can ask me any kind of doubts. After every video, after every concept, you will get the worksheets. You have to do yourself at home. Unit tests will be there after every level. There are 5 levels. So you have to face the 5 unit tests. You will get access to those recordings for lifetime. And you will get the e-certificate after passing the final exam. So who should enroll? So students struggling with maths should enroll this. Students not able to focus on studies should enroll this. Students losing their interest in studies should enroll this. Students who prepare for competitive must enroll this, because without Vedic maths you can't get the speed and accuracy in any competitive exam. So job doing persons who want to earn on part time, they can also learn this and they can start teaching them. Freelancing tutors or after school activities also can enroll this. So if you have any doubt, you can reach me on this phone number, on this email ID, or on this website. I hope this is informative and knowledgeable session. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.